Okay, Form 1, Chapter 4, Video number 7, still reproduction 还是生孩子 Okay, so our new title will be talk about human reproduction 人类的生殖系统 Okay, and we're going to start slowly 啦，我们会慢慢的开始。我们先看无聊的东西先。The importance of reproductions 生殖到底有什么重要性呢 Okay, this can simply ask in the exam anytime 他爽就问了的。So any importance or why you have to reproduce and after reproduce you have to take care the new generation 你一定要照顾你的小孩子 and this is something very difficult so why 为什么一定要生孩子繁殖呢 To ensure the continuation of species 为了让我们的后代能继续的生存下去对不对那么besides to ensure the continuation of species 除了可以让我们的后代继续的生存下去以外，还有什么呢 ？To increase the number of organisms of a species， 给我们的后代越来越多，子孙满堂。Okay, or why we have to increase the number of organisms？ 为什么生物要多呢？为什么家人越多越好呢 ？To prevent extinction， 防止没有后代，防止绝种，对不对 ？Okay， 不孝有三，无后为大。不要乱讲。Okay, so to prevent extinction， 为了防止绝种。Okay, so this is the reason, or these are the reason why we have to reproduce. 我们必须生孩子，繁殖。Okay, next. So now we talk about the male reproductive system. 我们先讲男生的 reproductive systems. So understand yourself 啦 ，OK， 自己明白自己的身体过后才聪明嘛。Next, so I go slowly 啦。So for the male reproductive system, the most important 男生的生殖系统里面最重要的一个部分 ，but actually all the part important 啊，每一个部分都重要。Okay, so I start from here. This is what we call testes. 这个就叫睾丸 testes. What is the function of these testes? Testes actually number one, it produces the male hormone. 它产生男性荷尔蒙。Okay, when you reach the puberty, 当你来到青春期、发育期的时候。Okay, the testes start to produce a lot of male hormone. 它开始长了很多，分泌出很多的男性荷尔蒙。So you grow very fast. 你突然间长得很快。Okay, and you grow the beard. 你突然间2-3年过后长了胡须。And your sounds become deepened. 你的声音变得比较低沉，对不对？ Or what is this testes 啊？就是 testes 睾丸放出来的荷尔蒙造成的。besides produce a male hormone, testes actually produce a sperm. 它就是制造精子的地方来的。这个东西就叫 testes. So what is the function of testes? Okay, so 来 produce a sperm 产生精子 and secrete the male sex hormone 然后分泌出男性性别的荷尔蒙就叫雄激素 testosterone. Okay, next. And testes 的搞定。beside the testes 还有谁呢 ？Testes actually keep inside a pouch. 这两粒 testes actually left and right they are totally same. 左手边、右手边根本一模一样的 ，understand? So somebody maybe tell you left hand side going to produce a sperm and the sperm going to become boy. 男左女右这种东西都是你的朋友乱骗你害人罢了。Okay, so both of the testes actually keep under a pouch 收在一个小袋子里面 ，and this is what we call scrotums. Okay, scrotums. What is the function of this scrotum? 它的功能是什么呢 ？Protect the testes， 保护 testes。But how scrotum protect the testes？ 它怎样去保护它呢 ？Okay. Why testes is put outside the male body？ 为什么把它吊在身体的外面呢 ？Okay. So scrotum 它的功能就是这样。听好啊 ，When testes making the sperm， 当 testes 要做精子的时候 ，it need the temperature， okay， it will be a little bit lower compared to body temperature。它的要的温度呢，比我们的37度的体温低一点点的 ，34、35左右啦。Okay, so in order to maintain the temperature, testes will be kept inside the scrotum and it will be kept outside our body 啦，放在我们的身体的外面。how you control the temperature？ 它怎样控制这个 testes 的温度呢 ？So during the hot day， 天气热的时候，你有没有发现到它testes 它会跑出来多一点点的，对不对？给它温度高了。 during the cool day， 在晚上半夜很冷的时候，你冲凉过后 ，so the scrotum going to contract 它收缩 ，and testis going to move into your body， 它会有一点点的跑进你的身体里面 ，maintain the temperature， 保持它的温度 ，understands？ So this is scrotum protect the testis。Okay， a bush which hang outside the male body protect the testis and keep it at room temperature， 保护你的 testis， 然后给它的温度低一点点 ，compared to our body temperature 啦，比起我们的体温，它的温度会低了一点点。And next， 再来。When the testis is making the sperms, okay, but this is not the place storing the sperm. 它制造精子，不过这边呢不是收藏精子的地方。The sperm will be finally stored here, okay. 精子呢就会最后的收在这个小袋子里面。这个小袋子呢就叫 seminal vesicle. Seminal 就是精液的 ，vesicle 就是一个小袋子啦。所以这个地方叫 seminal vesicle， 收藏精液的一个小袋子。Okay, so how does sperm move to the seminal vesicle? 精子将跑来这边呢 ？They move through a tube， 它经过了一条 tube， 这一条 tube 呢叫输精管啦 ，sperm duct 输精管。Okay, so what is the function of this sperm duct and also seminal vesicle? Sperm duct 输精管。Okay, transport the sperm from testis to the seminal vesicle 啦，它就是输送，它的功能就是给 testis 的精子跑去那边。So sperm ducts, what is the function? 抄在你的 notes. The tube which transport the sperm from the testis to the seminal vesicle， 它就是一条管道，这条管道让精子呢跑去 seminal vesicle。Okay。好 ，seminal vesicle 精液的小袋子 ，this is a place, the last place 最后一个地方 to store the sperm before it discharges from the male body 了。它没有出来之前就收在这边了。最后一个地方的 ，so circulate the seminal fluid， 它会分泌出精液的液体了 ，which contains the nutrients for sperm。然后这个液体里面呢有精子所需要到的养分，精子就住在这个液体里面，收在这个小袋子里面了。好 ，when the sperm come out from the male body， 精子跑出来的时候，它不是一只一只的。Okay, it will be in the liquid， 它就在液体里面，这种液体就叫 seminal fluid。So seminal fluid。Together with the sperm， 这两个东西加起来就变成精液了 ，and they'll be kept inside seminal vesicle， 就收藏在 seminal vesicle 里面 ，OK？And next 还有什么呢？这边 ，OK，when the sperm living inside the seminal vesicle， 当精子呢住在这边 seminal vesicle 里面的时候 ，OK，it need the nutrient， 它需要很多养分 ，and this is another organ that can supply the nutrient to the sperm inside the seminal vesicle。这个器官呢就叫 prostate gland 前列腺 ，prostate gland 就叫前列腺。What's the functions? It supplies the nutrient to the sperm inside the seminal vesicle。它也提供一些维他命 E， 它提供一些养分给这边的精子用了。prostate glands， 它就在尿道的旁边下面。OK，so prostate gland 就叫前列腺呢。OK。prostate gland 呢叫什么呢 ？Located at the base of the urinary bladder， 在膀胱的下面，它做什么事情用的 ？It circulates a fluid which contains a nutrient for sperm， 它会分泌出一种液体，这种液体呢里面有精子要用到的养分。Besides this， 它还可以做什么呢 ？The fluid together with the sperm is called semen。这个液体呢加精子进去就叫精液了，就叫 semen 精液。OK。And next, so how does sperm come out from the body? 这边的精子怎样从身体跑出来呢 ？They will pass through a tube. 当它出来的时候 ，it will pass through a tube, and this is a tube that we call urethra， 就叫尿道 urethra。So 尿道不是小便用的吗 ？Yes. So the urine will come from this tube, come out from the tube, and the semen. Okay, is also discharged from the same tubes. 精液也是从同样的一条 tube 呢跑出来的。Okay, but remember 这两个东西不会同时跑出来了。So this is the urethra， 小便用的 urethra. And the urethra actually will be inside another organ, another structure, and this is what we call penis. Okay, 阳具啦 penis 就收在 urethra 就收在 penis 里面了。So what's the function of this urethra？ 小便给精液跑出来 ，penis 帮忙 ，OK， send the semen to the female body 啦，帮忙把精液送进女性的身体里面啦。OK，so urethra, a tube which start from the urinary bladder and run through the penis， 它就是一条管道，从膀胱接到那个 penis 的一条管道。Function transport the sperm to outside the body， 把精子呢送出身体外面。And how the penis? What is the function of this penis? Okay, the function transfer the sperm into the female vagina during the copulation， 就是性交的时候 copulations transfer the sperm to the female vagina， 就是把精液呢送进女性的身体里面。OK， vagina 就是阴道。OK， so this is a male structure， 男性的身体的结构。It will be simple compared to the female body 啦。OK， 比起女性的身体呢，这边比较简单。In making the sperm and discharge the sperm and the story will be the end， 它的故事就完了。OK， compared to the girl or female， they have to grow the baby， 它给孩子长大，它会比较复杂一点点。OK， that's all， 拜拜。